Today we are going to be working on worksheet 122. Please be sure your name is at the top. We are going to start with number 1 with sounds that we've already worked on. So please write the letter or letters that make that sound. Number 1, H. Number 2, O. Number 3, V. Number 4, oo. Number 5, f. Number 6, zl. Number 7, x. Number 8, y. Number 9, I. Number 10, ba. Let's practice spelling words. Put your finger by number 11. Spell the word itch. Put your finger by number 12. Spell the word patch. We have already learned strategies for the letter A. For instance, if I put a breve above the A, that tells me that that is a short A, as in apple. If I put a macron above the A, that makes it a long A, as in acorn. We have also learned that A can have a schwa sound, as in banana. Today we're going to learn about one final sound with A. Echo these words and listen for the vowel sound in the medial position. Tall, fall, small. What vowel sound do you hear? Good, we hear ah. Let's look at these words and see what is making that sound. Can you guess what letter makes the ah sound? Good, A. When the letter A comes before an L, it often makes a sound similar to a short O. We'll code A's that sound like short O's with 2 dots, like this. Do these words need any other coding? Whoops. Mrs. Younger messed up. Here, I'll do it above the A. There we go. Good job. There's no other coding needed for these words. Now echo these words and listen for the sound in the medial position. Wasp, wand, watch. What vowel sound do you hear? Ah. Look at these words. What letter do you think is making the ah sound in these words? A. Right, the letter A is making that sound again. What else do you notice about these words? They all begin with W. The letter W is a bossy letter that makes lots of letters take on different sounds when they are near it. Let's try one more group of words. Echo each one and listen for the medial sound. Squash, quad, squabble. What vowel sound do you hear? Can you guess what might make might be making that sound? A. When the letter A comes after the letter W or the letters QU, the letter A can also make the short O sound. How do you think we'll code these A's that sound like short O's? Good job with 2 dots. Let's finish coding these words. Does wasp need any other coding? No. Does wand need any other coding? No. Does watch need any other coding? Yes. TCH is a trigraph. And remember, do we hear the T sound? No, so we're going to cross it out. Great job. Now we are done with watch. Let's look at squash. Oh, QU is a combination. And SH is a digraph. Now we are done with squash. Let's look at quad. Good job, we have QU again, the combination. That's it for quad. Let's look at squabble. Good job, we have QU again, the combination. Oh, let's take a look at BLE. I need my bracket. When I put a bracket, I have to have my accent mark. Also, this is a silent E, so I'm going to cross that out because I don't hear it. Great job. So, when I think about my letter A when it's saying the ah sound, I am going to think of the word wallet. Wallet will help remind me of that short O sound for my A. Let's continue on our worksheet. Let's practice some spelling words with the ah sound today. The ah sound is spelled with the letter A after W or QU or before L. Please point to number 13 and spell the word wash. Point to number 14 and spell the word squat. Please point to number 15 and spell the word ball. Now code numbers 16 through 25 using all of the codes, plus drawing a line from the letters or from the words to the correct picture. On the back, it gives you a word bank to write sentences for the pictures.